What's happening, sports fans? Welcome back to another episode of Mama and Papa Joe. On the menu today is a Filipino dish, pork adobo. We're gonna make it with spare ribs. Let's check this out. We've got a beautiful rack of spare ribs, man. St. Louis. This would be competition worthy. Look at that marbling. Weighs just almost 4 pounds. Folks, when you can see marbling in that little bit of skirt, you know it's an awesome rack. I'm gonna get this to the sink, rinsed and dried off. Here she is, folks. Beautiful. Nice and thick too, man. Look at that. I'm gonna do just a little cleanup before we get started. This dish is gonna be rich enough. I don't need any additional fat. A good sharp knife gets this done. Gonna get rid of some of this right here. I'm gonna remove the membrane only because I wanna remove that big glob of fat right there. Otherwise, I'd leave it on. Now, I'm gonna do something that's a little challenging. I'm gonna cut these into individual spare ribs. But first, before I do that, I wanna cut them in half lengthwise. That is going to be a challenge. I've got some shears that I know will be able to get through some of these bones, these flat bones, but I don't know about these round bones. At least I think it will. Yeah. These shears are pretty tight, man. Wow. All right, and this is where things get a little tricky. These bones here are pretty soft. Let me see what we can do down here. All right. Oh, one, folks, one. Come on. These two middle bones without meat flying all over the place. Boom. There it is, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to take these back to the sink. I just want to get rid of any fragments of bone that might be there. All right, folks, we're good to go. And I'm here to tell you that was not as difficult as I anticipated. Now we're just going to cut these right down into individual bones. We're going to set this aside and build our marinade. All right, the base of this marinade, folks, is going to be vinegar and soy sauce. But this is not your everyday vinegar and soy sauce. This is a Filipino vinegar and soy sauce specifically used for this dish. The vinegar is cane vinegar. It is not as acidic as your everyday vinegar. Much more palatable. And the soy sauce, the same thing. 3/4 cup of the vinegar, 1/3 cup of the soy sauce, about a tablespoon of ground ginger, a little onion. I've got a couple of garlic that I'm going to put in here crushed. I don't want to chop them up because I don't want them to burn when I'm browning these ribs tomorrow. And I know many of you think, why does he always do stuff overnight? Folks, we are filming dinner for the most part, so we want it to taste good. A nice shake of some red pepper flakes. You can use brown sugar here. I'm going to be using cane sugar. I'm going in with 1.5 tablespoons. I'll be using another 1.5 tablespoons tomorrow. And now some black pepper. Just want to give that a good mix. And now we're going to come in here with our ribs. The baggie might work better. Give this a good toss. Make sure that every piece is getting a little love into a bowl in case things break open. Till tomorrow. All right, folks, we are out of the fridge. Didn't have any leaks. All we're gonna do right now is take these, I guess I can call them riblets now, out of the marinade and allow them to kind of drip, drain, dry, and let them come close to the room temperature before we start browning. Remember, we're saving this marinade. All right, we're gonna give those about 45 minutes to warm up. All right, we've given our riblets about 45 minutes to warm up. I'm gonna come in about 1 tablespoon of avocado oil. I see a little smoke. We're giving this about 5 minutes. Oh yeah, that's a nice brown. And we're gonna do this to all of them, probably 3 batches. We'll give this side another 5 minutes. All right, let's get this last batch out. And I've got a little more oil than I want. I'm gonna sop up some of this oil. Some yellow onions. We're giving that a couple of 3-4 minutes. I'm gonna come in here with some fresh garlic minced. We'll give this another minute. Now the rest of my brown sugar, that's 1.5 tablespoons for a total of 3 tablespoons. That brown sugar is gonna really balance the zang from that vinegar. Now I'm coming back with my leftover marinade to really deglaze this pot. A couple of bay leaves, making sure we scrape everything off the bottom. Now we'll come back with our riblets and all that juice that it created. I've got here 1 cup of chicken stock. Just clean that out. And I'm gonna roll with this amount of liquid. I'm gonna bring this to a boil and then turn it down to a simmer, and we're gonna cook until tender. We are nearing 1.5 hours. We've cooked down. I haven't added anything else, no salt or anything, man. This is absolutely delicious. The only thing I did was just skim off some of the fat. I'm gonna turn this stove off, and I'm just gonna throw in just some green onions while we start putting the plate together. One more time, sports fans. These ribs are so tender. We've got some kicked up rice, some of Mama's roasted cauliflower. Oh yeah. And then we're gonna come here. Folks, let's just saturate that center. Oh, oh, here it is, sports fans. Wow, these ribs. Oh, you know it. Man, that cauliflower is nice and crunchy. Folks, this might be one of the most delicious rib dishes I've ever had. That cane vinegar is there, but it is enjoyable. It's not sour. Balanced with sugar. Wow. Very simple, folks. That took about 1.5 hours. Something you definitely want to try. I will not steer you wrong. Want to thank you guys and gals again for hanging out with Mama and Papa Joe. We really appreciate it. Be on the lookout for another video coming very soon. And as always, Mama and I want you guys to take care of yourselves, love each other, and we'll see you when we see you. Holla.